channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to check my other videos, like, comment, and also subscribe. If you're old, welcome back. Super excited that you're here today. I'm tired of saying I'm sorry all the time. You guys, I break out a lot, so anytime I want to film, I have to make sure that my skin is a bit okay, because you know, either we have pimples, you can't be applying makeup all the time like that. So that is the reason why I sometimes take like a month or two break from YouTube. But today I am back. My face looks a bit okay, not really okay, but we can still do something sharp. Today we're doing random hair and makeup, and I'm using products that I got from Ghanaian vendors on Instagram. So basically everything I'll be using, all the product, they did not make the product, they just sell them. So I'll just put the links to where I got the product I'll be using down below. You can check them out. But the hair is from my line. I don't have a website now. I'm on Instagram and Facebook as well, so all links will be down below. So please, let's just get straight into this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as I always say. Love you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so this hair is a water wave 22 inches, 3 bundles with 18 inches frontal, and you can WhatsApp me, you can send me a text on Instagram and on Facebook. I don't have a website right now that I sell my wigs or my bundle. I've worn it a couple of times, so I really don't need to do much. I'm just going to apply my got2b gel and I'm good to go. As you can see, it is a glueless wig, so I really don't need to do much, but I'm going to pull this up in a ponytail. So that is the reason as to why I want to use the got2b spray, like the frizz spray. I'm going to use this elastic band to help me lay the front down. eyeliner brush to clean up my brows. Guys, this is the only I don't know if I should call it primer, but this is the only primer that really works for me. Like the Pond's, it works really well for me. I'm very oily, but once I use this one and then I use the setting powder on it, I can go all day. I don't know about you, but this is what works very well for me. This is what I use all the time now. So I'm basically going to add on all the areas that I become oily at. don't use the highlighter on my cheeks. I just use it just on my nose. I did not brush or like comb the hair through because I don't want it looking like very fine or like very neat. I want it to look a bit messy.